Hi, I'm Steve Kane, president of Rolling Strong. Rolling Strong is a wellness program that has a variety of tools available to the transportation industry as well as other industries. Our goal is to provide tools that work specifically for your population. And within trucking, they have a set of challenges all of their own. Re-Cert is a program that we built that has a specific focus on getting drivers prepared to pass their DOT medical exam so they can get the longest term card possible. If you don't know, out of all the tests that were taken last year, almost 50% of those drivers was given a short-term card. That means almost half the population on the road has less than acceptable medical conditions, which can be a challenge. Not only does it have an impact on accidents and worker comp cases, but it also has an impact on their lifestyle. So we built Re-Cert to help prepare them. How does that work? Well, number one, this is a completely free program to the entire industry and to all drivers. You can simply go in the App Store as a driver. You can download the free version of our app, and it includes the base Re-Cert program, which means you can enter in your next DOT physical date, what term card you were given last time, and you're going to get reminders 90 days, 60 days, 30 days, 2 weeks, and 2 days before your next exam. We're also going to give you a checklist that you can follow to help you prepare for that exam. Now, if that's not enough and you need more, you can upgrade to the premium service of Rolling Strong, which includes a wider variety of tools to help you stay healthy on the road, and you also can upgrade to a premium version of Re-Cert. With that next level of Re-Cert, you're able to activate a whole series of training videos that helps you get ready by focusing on nutrition, fitness, sleep, hydration, and overall well-being. It gives you access to our coaches that can help prepare you by setting short-term goals that can get you ready for the exam, as well as give you some hacks on things you can do the day of the exam to get the best and longest term card possible. Re-Cert is a great way to deploy a free version of Rolling Strong to your entire population. And if that works and you like it, we can upgrade you. We have a lot of other programs and plans in place. So give us a call and ask about Re-Cert so we can get you started on a program today, and if nothing else, making sure that we have your drivers as compliant as possible. Thanks so much.